Hey guys, today we're making these delicious plain vanilla cupcakes. These cupcakes are so delicious and are super soft and fluffy. They go perfect with a cup of tea or coffee and are just super delicious. It's so simple to make, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding the butter and the sugar as well as the oil to a bowl, and then we're going to mix this until it's well combined. It should be nice and fluffy. Once it's white and fluffy, you can add in your eggs one at a time and beat well in between. Once it's well incorporated, you can add in your second egg. Then you can add in your third egg and then mix until well combined. Next, you're going to add in your vanilla and then mix this together. Once that's mixed in, you can sift in your flour and then add in your baking powder. Then you're going to mix this all together. Once it's mixed in, you can add in your milk and then beat until nice and fluffy. Then you're going to take your cupcake tray and then line them with some cupcake papers and then scoop in some of your batter. Now fill them 3/4 ways full. And then you're going to add in any sprinkles that you want. Yeah, I'm just adding these sprinkles. Or you could just leave them plain. Then you're going to bake this. Then you're going to bake this in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Once they're golden brown, like this, you can take them out of your oven and then let them cool down completely. This recipe makes around 35 cupcakes, so you can easily halve the recipe if you like. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this delicious cupcakes, and it's so simple to make. They're just amazing and go perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. And they're so fluffy in the middle. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.